Good morning, K2. Welcome back with teacher Saruon again. Guys, today is Monday of 31st August 2020. How have you been, guys? I hope you are fine, and for me it's good. Thank you. Now let's start to review our lesson with teacher. Okay, listen to my question and answer together. What color is it? It's blue. Good job. What color is it? It's pink. Yeah, it's gray. And the last, what color is it? What color is it, everyone? It's purple. Okay. And the last flower, what color is it? It's black. Okay, very good. So now it's time to learn how to count together. Okay. Teacher will ask you how many, and you can say 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, so look at it. Teacher, how many colors? 2. Okay, great job. How many colors? Everyone, how many colors? 3. Yes, well done. Look at teacher again. Okay. Answer, how many colors? 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. After 4, she has more color. So allow us here. How many colors, everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well done. Okay, now look at my board. Today, teacher wants to review how to write number 0 until number 5. Okay, to everyone. So please look at the whiteboard. Number 0 has one step. We start with up, right? Up, around, down. Okay, and number 1 has one step. Up, down, straight. Number 2 has 2 steps, up, curl, down, down to the right. And number 3 has 2 steps, up, curl, middle, curl, down. Okay. Number 4 has 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. And number 5, it has 3 steps also. So the first step, up, middle, straight. Second step, middle, curl down. And third step, top right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so our worksheet today, look at picture together. So here is our worksheet for K2. So teacher wants you complete the number here with the question, how many did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can write number 4. Okay, thank you kids for watching this video. Goodbye everyone.